Alright guys, I got a Volkswagen here, 2019 Jetta. So I'm working on this connector here. So what I did was I did a little bit of soldering, as you can see down there. A lot of soldering. Right? And yellow, black, green. So we had rats in here. You could see the rat crap down here. So I figured out we had a check engine light. I was able to see a broken connector back there. So these are the 3 wires that goes to the harness. Yellow, green, and the black with the white stripe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these wires and we're gonna connect them back together. And I got the heat shrink ready there. And then we'll connect it right back. And hopefully that takes care of the car. But if you guys have issues like this, you wanna be careful. Get yourself some rat traps. It could be a squirrel. Before you know it, they're gonna eat all these cables. I went through it with my car. You've seen that on YouTube. But anyways, small fix, but if you can't find that issue, you're never gonna know what else they ate. There's so many wires back here. You see the whole harness is down there, and you got the computer back there somewhere. And if they kill all the wires one by one, you're gonna have codes for some stuff you're never gonna find. Okay, so if I had scanned this customer's car, I was gonna probably end up changing the cam sensor, and you never know. What if they had ate the wire back down here? I would have never found out. I would have changed the cam sensor. So do yourself a favor, watch where you park at, and make sure you do a good job with soldering. And if anything, you could pick up another it's called a pigtail connector from the dealer. Put that baby on, and you should be good to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this baby and connect it right back. So far, I connected all 3 wires. Make sure you go by the color code, even though my wiring is different color, but I follow the lead from back here. So the black one goes to the black, green one go to the green one, black one go to the black, yellow go to yellow. And I got the heat shrink. I'm gonna tie them up really good, and we're all done. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I don't have black wire tape. I want to tape it up just like these. So what I want to do is I want to connect it from back here nicely and make sure the harness doesn't get stretched. And this baby's gonna get connected, and then we're gonna reset the light. Bada bing, bada boom, all done to go. It's not gonna bother anybody. You could just sit right there. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.